Want to make money online, but hate being on camera or talking on a mic? Here are 5 AI-powered side hustles you can start completely faceless, using nothing but your laptop and free tools. Let's go! 1. Faceless YouTube channel. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, Pictory to turn those into videos, and Canva to make thumbnails. You never have to show your face, and once monetized, YouTube pays you monthly. 2. Sell AI-generated art packs. Use Leonardo AI or Midjourney to create unique icons, textures, and backgrounds. Sell them as downloadable bundles on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. People buy these for games, websites, and content. 3. Voiceover gig. Using ElevenLabs. With ElevenLabs, you don't even need to record your voice. You can offer voiceover services on Fiverr, Upwork, or TikTok. Just type, generate, and deliver, all faceless. 4. Sell eBooks written by ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT for a 5-chapter outline on a trending topic, then generate the full content. Package it as a PDF and sell it on Gumroad, Payhip, or Amazon Kindle. Health, finance, and relationships are great niches. 5. Create and sell templates with Canva. Design Instagram post templates, lead magnets, or resumes in Canva. Sell them on Etsy or as a bundle. ChatGPT can even help you write the product descriptions. The best part? You don't need experience. You don't need gear. Just AI, your ideas, and your drive. Subscribe to Silent Hustle for weekly faceless income tools and smart side hustle strategies.